So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Procter Gamble stock, ticker symbol PG in Canada using Questrade. So once Questrade is opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top right or go to the bottom left, press on buy and sell, or the search icon. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol PG for Procter & Gamble Company. Press on that. Now once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on the green buy icon. Once you're here, either go to share quantity or dollar amount and type in the amount that you're looking to order. Once that is done, press on next and then go through the process that way. By following the instructions slash the next step. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Procter & Gamble stock, ticker symbol PG here in Canada on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.